Today I'm going to show you how to create the Windows 10 bootable USB drive. So first of all, you will need a Windows 10 ISO file. So if you have a Windows 10 ISO file, good. But if you don't have a Windows 10 ISO file, don't worry. I will put link in the description for a site, my site, where you can learn how to download the Windows 10 ISO file for free. Actually, it is available for free on Microsoft's website. You can just do the Google search Windows 10 ISO file, but I still recommend you guys to go into the link in the description, and there is a tutorial where I did the tutorial how to get the Windows 10 ISO file. That way it will be easy to get the Windows 10 ISO file. Now you have the Windows 10 ISO file. First step, go to this website rufus.aqo.ie. Don't worry, I will put link in the description. You can go there and visit this site. Once you're here, scroll down till you see the download link. So you can see last updated something, and after that you just have to download the whatever the last updated version they have. So right now it's Rufus 3.0. So I'm just gonna click on it and it should get downloaded like that. And you can also use the any other software which allow you to make a bootable USB drive, but I highly recommend you guys to use the Rufus if you want to create the Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Not only Windows 10, Windows 7, 8, any like Windows related, okay? It's highly recommended to use the Rufus, and I will explain you why later on this tutorial, okay? Once you have downloaded the Rufus, open it, and it should look like something like this. And I forgot to show you this, that now you will need a USB drive. Minimum requirement is 8 GB of USB drive. I have 8 GB. You can also try it on 4 GB. Let's see if it works or not. But you know, the Windows 10 ISO file size is around 4 GB, so it might not work. So I recommend you guys to use the 8 GB of USB drive like this one, okay? So I'm just gonna plug it in. Now back to the Rufus. As you can see here, first option we have the device. Here you have to select your USB drive. If you have inserted the multiple USB drives, then select your custom one, whatever you want to use. So I just inserted just one USB drive, so I'm just gonna use this one. And after that we have the boot section. If there is another option selected, select disk or ISO image. Select this one. Once this is selected, go to select option, click to select an image, click on it, and after that locate where is your ISO file, Windows 10 ISO file or Windows 7 or 8, okay? Right here I have Windows 10 ISO file right here. In your case it could be in download if you have downloaded, or wherever you have saved, okay? You just have to locate your Windows 10 ISO file. Once you have located your ISO file, select it, and after that hit on open. And after that we have another option, partition scheme. Now this is really important, okay? We have a GPT MBR. Now if you don't know what is the meaning of GPT and MBR, this is a partition type. So if you select the wrong partition scheme here, it will not get MBR. For example, if you have a MBR partition type like MBR hard drive, and you selected the GPT, you created the bootable USB using GPT scheme, then it will not get installed in your drive because your drive is MBR. Actually you can convert your drives from MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR, something like that, but you know, recommended drive is GPT. If you can convert your drive from MBR to GPT, if you can, okay, because GPT can hold more memories, more RAM, and all that kind of stuff. So you know, for example, go into the search bar, search here disk management. It should say create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it and it should open the disk management thing, and after that select your disk. I have two disks, disk 0, disk 1, okay? I want to install my Windows 10 on disk 0, so I'm just gonna right click, go into the properties, and after that go into the volume, and you can see partition style. I have the GPT, guide partition table or something. Okay, GPT. So this is that means I have a GPT type of hard drive. So I have to create the bootable USB drive using GPT scheme. Okay, if it says MBR, that means you have to select the MBR scheme, so you can easily install without any problem. So that's how you check your drive type. So mine says GPT. I'm just gonna select GPT, and target system, it should be just one option, so it will automatically change whenever you change the scheme. Okay, so I'm just gonna select the GPT, and everything else just leave default. You don't have to mess with anything. Volume label, you can rename it volume, like this is the name of your USB drive after you create the bootable USB drive. Okay, now you're ready. You just have to click on start and it will make your Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Let me show you. Start, and it will do some warning that it will format your USB drive. So make sure that you have backup everything. If you have anything on your USB drive, move to another drive, and after that click on OK, and as you can see, it is creating file system and something. Okay, once it's done, it will say that completed, and after that you can install your Windows 10 easily. You're just using a USB drive, and that's it. That's all. And that's why you should use the Rufus, because you have a selection of GPT type or MBR type. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will put link in the description for the Windows 10 ISO file and also for the Rufus. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.